Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, in my previous video, we have seen the Datediff, the function. So we have to see the dated and Datediff, Datepart. Okay, sorry, Datepart we had seen. Okay, Datepart and now one more dated. Okay, so three videos. So in the Datediff, Datediff. Okay, so Datediff, it is actually it is working as the extraction part. It is a no. It is Datediff. It means it means it is giving. It means it is giving. It is giving the number of counts, number of sum. It will giving the number of sum. Okay, and date part. Sorry, date part. It will it will give it will give only extraction part. Only extraction part, like the name, like the year, only the extract. This will month and minute and only the extract and dated. It is adding. It is adding month of year, month, number of month, number of month, number of year, etc. Okay. Sorry guys. So guys, today we will see the dated if. So select, firstly I have to go in my table, select start from your table. Okay, your table guys. So this table, in this table, we have some that three columns: id, name, and event, date, time. Okay, and now I want the dated. Okay, dated, it means it is a giving number of sum. Okay, so it means so 2012 to now, how much the difference of the years or difference of the month or and difference of the minute or days. Okay, so it will be giving. So select dated dated dated. Okay, and dated. Okay, um so guys, Datediff, it is showing the function require three argument. Okay, so firstly I'm using here the year. Okay, I'm extracting the year. Okay, and event time, event time, event date time. Okay, event date time. And get it, get it. Okay, from Airtable. Okay, as year. Okay, as year. So guys, now I am seeing this one. So like guys, if I execute this two both query, okay, and guys here the 12, okay, 23 and 24, okay, some data in future also. So it will it is giving like 12, okay, 23rd. So it is now current date is current years, it is 1 year left, okay. So it is giving me the total years, okay. I'm just declaring here the total year, okay. Okay, if anyone asks like how to find the total total month, so you can get it here, guys. You can get it um, this one, okay. So now you can change here like the month you are asking, okay. So month and total month, okay. Okay, and I'm copying this one, and like week, day, you can choose a day, and week, day, minute I will take also, because sometimes they ask the question from the minute. So I will take a minute and we will play with that, okay. So minute, okay. I'm removing this one, okay. And whether it is we are remove this one, okay. And minute, okay guys. And now I'm run this query. So you will able to select the total months, total years, total week, total days, and total time. So sometime the interviewer asks the questions ki who is the minimum, okay, minimum minute, okay, like your minimum days or minimum week, they can ask. So how can you use it the minimum? So minimum, for minimum, uh, you have to keep okay. So we will talk about that part later. And now the dated, okay. So now date add one more point, okay guys. So dated, it is the adding like the years or numbers or whatever, okay. So let's quickly see the one example, okay. I'm executing this one, and guys here the year is the 2012. I want the increase this year in 2015, okay. So select dated dated, okay, how much, guys, year, okay, year, and how much, 3 year, okay, and what is here timing is there, like what, um, you can edit the event date time, right? Event date time, okay, event event date time, okay, event date time from event date time, okay, from your table, okay, guys. So you can edit like the 3 years, all here you can get it, okay, and now you can add month also. So like yeah, you can give the alias 8 year, added year, okay, added years, and now you can add the guys, you can add the month also here, okay, so I'm taking here, you can add the month, so months, okay, okay, and simply the month, and this week, and week, no, add a day, okay, day you can edit here, 3 day, okay, guys. So like you can add this approach, okay, and you will add able to edit, okay, so I'm executing this one, and now like added here the 2015 and month, like previously you can get here event date time, okay, and now now you can see here the 3 months I have added, okay, months, okay. So thank you, guys, we will meet next future video.